Hello. Hello everyone. So our project today is all about a quick quote. The quick quote was the application in which a user can book his venue slots for the sports events which he or she wants to participate in. So the main fundamental of our app is its backend runs in the Django platform and its front end runs in the React framework. So here you can see the front end is the back end is running using the Python manage.py run server, and here you can see the front end is running at 3000 port, which is the React server. So here is the basic application which I'm gonna go through you. I'll just first of all log in. Here there are three main roles. The first role is of the player. The second role is the facility owner. Facility owner is the owner which can add the venues and the facilities which he or she wants to sell to the people who want to come into the sports arena. So first of all, I'll log in through this player. So here we have used the authentication. So for that we'll see email ID OTP will come in this email ID. We'll just wait for. See here the email ID has arrived. So in this email ID, this is the code, and I'll just paste this code here, which is 3623355, and I'll just verify the email, and here it has been verified. So this was the admin dashboard. So as here you can see, this is the admin portal. Using the admin portal, the admin can either review the users, he can also remove the users, view the details of the users and the performance, and also he can approve whenever a facility owner at the venue, which I'll show you shortly, it needs to be approved by the admin user. Here you can see it can view ban the user, delete the user. Such operations can be performed by the admin users. So this was all about the admin panel. Then I'll just what was I was doing. I'll just show you this. So here you can see one more code has been arrived. This is for the player. This is a new email ID which is registered as the player ID. So this is the user has been logged in. This is the user profile. What user can do, he can see which city he is in, and according to the city he can I'll just use Mumbai. If he or she is in Mumbai, he can see all the venues. Here you can see all the venues. See, like if Ahmedabad, the filter will apply of only the Ahmedabad city. Then you can do of the Mumbai and various cities. He or she, here there is no available of the. That's why. So I'll just book one of the city of this Fiji Sports. So here there are the various filters apply which you can see. I'll just show you a demo of how a venue is booked. So I'll book this venue. I'll choose the sports as tennis. I'll select one date which is 25th. Then I'll select the time which is 4 p.m. evening. I just want to apply for 1 hour. Then I'll select the code. So if I select for the 2 hours, I can select the two codes like that. And here we have to provide the detail. This detail is about if I am providing about some other person, I can provide the detail of that person also. Then it will redirect to the payment. Here payment I'll just need to provide his or her UPI ID, and here you can see the code booking is confirmed. And this was his previous booking which I already did, and this was his current booking which was on August 25 between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So this was all about the users. Here the users can see. Here you can select the tennis, Here you can select the badminton or whatever he or she wants to. Now I'll show you the second functionality, which is of the facility owner. I'll just log in. That already has been created. This email ID is registered of the facility owner. Also, I'll just show you one more thing. Here in this admin panel, this facility owner nothing to but user's ID. You can see this has already been approved. So that's why if I'll just log in here, OTP will arrive on this ID, which I'll just
13535.
So it has been verified. So here you can see you can add the venue. So I'll just name Shivansh, phone number, like place, venue name, new. Arena. I'll just squash, football and table tennis. These are the three sports which is available in my court, and the court available is one. I can select the number of courts, how much courts I have. So I'll just fix this price, 90 rupees, 180 rupees and 270 rupees. So I'll just follow this same trend everywhere. And this is the feature where I just say my quote is available only on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, not on this day. Here we have also given the filters like weekdays, weekend only, all days, like that. But my quote is only available on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And also these are the amenities which are provided by me. By that, like the parking is available by this particular user. Parking, air conditioning, equipment rental, Wi-Fi, libraries, CCTV library, and also here are some set of rules which we have already created. So I'll just cut, copy, paste it. So these are the rules of regulation. After seeing these rules and regulation only, the admin will approve him. And here I'll just add the venue. You can see venue added successfully. Now I'll show you just thing the database consistency that from the users panel you can see a new sports arena has already been added, 180 per hour. I can see all the details, football equipment, everything which was thing. This is the three thing. Morning as I've given three different time slots. Morning 90 rupees, evening 100 rupees and night 270 rupees. This is all the requirements which I have done. So yeah, you can see this is a fully functioning website which we can see. So yeah, this was my project, which is of team 101. Myself Hitarsh and my other teammates are Shivan Srivastav, Krish Dave and Kevin Dave. Thank you.